Hey, it's Miss Johnson, back at it again with the Module 2 review. We'll take this test on Friday, October 1st, which is the first day of the entire month of Halloween. Very exciting. What I'm going to do is, same thing I did last time, I'll make a video per section, and then by doing out these problems and writing instructions on the side. You only need to watch the videos you need to watch, and hopefully this is helpful. Let's get it. All right. The first one is multiplying each quadratic into standard form, right? That either looks like distribution or binomial multiplication, so the FOILing thing. The first one, we take the first term 4x, we multiply it by 2x, and then we also multiply it by 3. So 4x times 2x, we multiply the numbers first, and then we say there's 2x's being multiplied, so it's x squared. Then we do 4x times 3, so we multiply the numbers first. We see there's 1x, so we leave it at 1x. And now this a, b, and c stuff, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So the a is just what's next to our x squared term. The b is what's next to our x term. And the c is what number's on the back. If either of these are missing from our equation, if the b or the c is missing from our equation, we just write 0. All right, let's do it again. Here, the binomial multiplication is we multiply 3x times x, multiply 3x times 1, we multiply 6 times x, we multiply 6 times 1. And then we can actually add all those together. The 3x squared has no partner, so it just stays the same. 3x and 6x have the same variables, so we can add them together. And then 1 has no partner, so it's by itself. And now we get to fill in our a, b, and c. We can do this again in a slightly different way. If you prefer, you can do like box multiplication. The way box multiplication works is you draw your box. Then on the outside of your box, you put these factors. So this one's x plus 3. This one's x plus 7. And now we say, what's x times x? It goes here. X times x is x squared. 3 times x goes here. 7 times x goes here. And 7 times 3 goes here. We write this up. Let's drag this down. When we write this up, we rewrite all the things in the box added together. And then we combine the middle two terms because they're both just x. So b is 10, c is 21. This is the x in the number term. The x squared has no number in front, but it's still there, which means it's a 1. And then for our last one, we've got this number out front. Whenever we've got the number, what I recommend is just doing this multiplication, and then at the end, multiplying everything by 2. So let's do that. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 2 is 16. Technically, I'm going to put all this in parentheses and put a 2 out front, so I'm reminding myself to multiply by 2 at the end. Again, reminding myself to multiply by 2 at the end, I get to add these two middle numbers together because they're both just x. And now I'm going to multiply every single thing by 2, right? I'm going to say that's 2x squared, that's 20x, and 16 times 2 is 32. And then I get to copy down my a, b, and c. All right, that's the first one. I'm going to film the second one next.